Champagne bronze. Use in 2-ish showerhead, hand shower combo together or independently. Ideal for washing children or pets and keeping the shower or tub clean. H2O kinetic technology gives you the sensation of more water. Plastic. Installs in minutes. Hand shower pause button reduces the water flow to a trickle for easy lathering and shaving. Spray settings consist of H2O kinetic with massage, massaging and pause. 2.50 gallons per minute. Lifetime limited warranty. You can install with confidence, knowing this Delta slide bar handheld showerhead with hose is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic showerhead, volume and pressure are great. Being one who likes a powerful showerhead, I was concerned that something so sleek would deliver on water pressure, volume, but it delivers and then some. We put in a beautiful marble shower and I wanted the heads, handles to almost disappear into the background. They do. So it is everything I could have hoped for, beautiful and provides a great shower experience. Although it is designed to be mounted to the left of the bar, you can mount it to the right. The button that controls the height on the slide bar is the same finish, so it doesn't look odd when you flip the mechanism around, and that saved us from having to move plumbing, replace marble and a huge headache for all involved. Give a lot of thought to where the water will come out of your wall and the position of the handles. You don't want the hose hanging around or over your handles.